Wow! Wow!
Yung alimasag natin mga
Aray
karay.
pa picture. Hello, good morning, my friends. Today, I'm here in Yas Island. I will go for fishing today.
Yun.
So you will see if I can catch today, or this is a good luck or bad luck. So let's go. Check it out. So this is my first. Oh, this is my first catch, you know. Yes. So we will not go home without fish. Understand? So this is my first catch. Hope will continue. So I will throw. Wow, with slow-mo. Okay. Nice editing. So okay, so we'll set up the another one. Okay, so have more chances of winning. No. More chances of getting fish. Okay, so I already set up two. So I'm trying to prepare another one. So I check this one because there I think there is fish biting. Yes, I'm correct. See, there's another one. Wow. So I have two now. So I will put another bait again. So what is my bait? I'm using a shrimp bait. Understand? Okay. So now what I'm doing is again putting a shrimp. After that, throw it again. Understand? Yes. Okay. So I'll check another one. Maybe there is a fish. Okay, I can feel. I can feel. I can feel it.
Wow.
I see. You see? Oh, you see another two fish. Understand? See, two fish. Fishes. Oh, sorry. Oh, I catch. So today, catch more. So this is enough for me and for my family to have our lunch. But I will continue until I finish my bait. So I will remove and throw it again. Okay? Yes. Perfect. Understand? So I'm preparing the another one. So I have three. So that at least I have three rods. So again, I can see the movement. So maybe catching again. No, it's only a prank. So I'll throw it again. So this is my next rod. So we have three rods now. I check one by one. Up. There is a fish.
Wow.
Oh, yes. Wow. I check that. I will throw again. Okay, understand? Oh. Again.
Wow.
Whoa! Unstoppable! See? Today is my lucky day. Understand? See, I will put another bait again and throw it again. This is the normal way of catching fish.
Wow.
Oh, see again? Oh my God! Really, I cannot imagine I can catch every minute. Oh, this is my lucky day, really. But I put my cover so that at least, because it's very hot now. Understand? See? I have three rods now. See, I can feel maybe this one have also.
Wow.
So I check. Oh yes, I told you. Understand? So I have again. I catch another fish again, my friend. I'll put the bait and throw it again. So I check the other one. Again. Again, very fast.
Wow.
Yes. Oh. Again, I catch fish. You see, the interval is very, very quick. It's like only
Wow.
2 minutes, 3 minutes interval. I have no time for relax. See? Again? Oh my God. Again, see?
Wow.
Oh, see? Again, catch again. Really? Even my other friend beside me, he catches a lot of fish also.
Wow.
So we are actually we are lucky in this place. See, unstoppable. Every time, every minute, you have fish in your rod. See this one, but nothing. See, again I checked another one. Oh, hop. It's
Wow.
getting tangled. Oh yes, I catch again. Oh my God, understand? See? I set up again the 3 rods. I check one by one. Oh, again, I can feel
Wow.
another fish again in this rod. I told you, I have 2 fishes again in one rod. Understand? Oh my God, really? Too much. Again, in the
Wow.
middle of the night, there is another fish. Oh, two catches again. I'm very happy. Understand? I can. Oh, my wife is very happy. If I can, if she knows, I catch more. See, my wife really, she will kiss me when I get home. She will be happy. Oh, look! Every time I
Yun mga
take
ka-Rebels,
my rod,
ng
I catch 2
nausap si tayo ng
fishes.
paing. So nagbigay si Master Egay, binigay si yung mga ano
But
niya,
now this time
yung kanyang mga
I don't have any more bait,
Sana
the
makarami pa
shrimps.
tayo.
So I want to take my friend Egay because he gave me a bait, shrimps. So now I can continue again catching.
Wow.
Understand? Oh, okay, see? Unstoppable again. Again, 2 fishes. This area is very lucky to me. Understand? See? Every time, every minute. Unstoppable. Again, see?
Wow.
Again, check. Again, see? Very fast. Oh. Again, I catch fish. Really, I cannot imagine this one. I catch every time, every minute. Oh, see again, the other one in the middle. There is a
Wow.
movement. See? I check now. Again, see? I catch again. Understand? See? Oh my God, this is my lucky day today. Even my friend beside me, he's lucky because he catches the same line. He catches 2 fishes, 3 fishes like this. Too much. Oh my God. This is my first time, my experience in Yas Bay. I catches this kind of fish in very fast. Actually,
Wow.
my friend there in the other side, my Yas Bay anglers friend, their catches bigger than that. But mine is it's just okay. It's small, but we can eat it. Understand?
Wow.
See? Again. Oh my God, really too much. Too much. Unstoppable. See my friend the other side also? We have Marites.
Wow.
I cannot relax because every time, always pulling my rod. So it means there is a fish. See? Even I'm sitting, I can see my rod is moving.
First time.
So this is my fish I catch today. Today is a lucky day for me. So now I went home, I catch those fish, but I want to take this my friend Aspat for this one piece of crabs. He gave it to me. Okay, understand? So this is for today's catch. One day, this one I give it to my friend, my our what we call this one, landlord boy. Saji's name. So today we will catch and cook. I will cook kinamantisan, or in English, tomato in sauce. Like that. Understand? This is a Filipino food actually. Okay, I will clean. I'm not tired because you see, if I catch more, I cannot feel. I'm not feeling tired. I can cook, but I cannot. If I will not catch, maybe I can catch only few, one, two pieces. Oh, really? I will tell my wife, okay, this is my fish, and I will sleep. But now I catch more. I cannot. I'm very happy. So I cook these fishes. So I cook around 10 pieces of fish. Understand? So that I have a lunch. We have a lunch actually. Understand? So I put some gloves because this Nagoor, sometimes I'm getting wound because their scales are too much sharp. Understand? See? So really, this is a good day and lucky day for me in Yas Bay Anglers. First time for more than 2 years, I'm not getting this much kind of fishes. Understand? So today I will cook a fish. This fish is Nagoor. We are calling this one Nagoor fish in UAE or in Arabic. But this is very tasty. Even you fry it or maybe grill it, that's very good because the meat is very tasty. I understand. Even just put a salt and a pepper. See, I'm just removing the internal organ. Understand? I'm cleaning it. But it's very hard, really, for cleaning this Nagoor. I'm getting tired of speaking, understand? But I'm not tired for like cooking. I think tomorrow, Sunday, I will not catch because I have too much. This is enough for me for 1 week. See? Oh, done already. So I counted, it's around 8 pieces. Then we will going to clean it. Understand? Oh, I have too much, see? I will not clean all because we are planning to grill this one after maybe before or during the Eid. So at least we have some food. Understand? Oh, look. Okay. I'm cleaning it. See, look at the fish. See, I'm cleaning now. Then after that, we will prepare the ingredients of the kinamatisan. We are calling this one kinamatisan na isda or kinamatisan na fish. Now, this is the tomato. I cut the tomato. into big piece. I cut it in one piece. I cut around like 4 pieces. Okay, understand? This is all the tomato. Now I put a ginger, one piece of ginger. Then onion. I put onion. Yes, understand? Then garlic. I put on top and spread it. Then I will put now the fish. Okay, I'll put it in a proper way so that because I will not going to mix this one later on when it was boiled because otherwise it will be cut into pieces. Understand? Hope you understand. Then I will put salt. Understand? I will put pepper. Yes, understand? Now it's ready to cook. Yes, let it. So we'll wait. Then after that, we will put the vegetables like chili and onion leaves. Okay, and taste the soup. Oh, nice. Really, this is enough. Good. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.